how to fix YouTube not showing comments. So if you're facing a problem with YouTube comments and if that is not showing up, then first open up your YouTube application. And after opening, now simply choose video that you would like. So I'll be choosing this one. And after opening that video, here you will have your comment section, right? So if you don't find your comments, so if you don't find that, then what you can do is go back and then go for the upper right corner, which has that profile icon. And here you can go for settings, and under settings you can go for the first option, which is general, and scroll down, and here on the bottom you will have restricted mode. So you can simply turn off your restricted mode. So check that if you have turned on your restricted mode, and if you have turned that on, then you won't have the comments, you will not be able to see the comments. So simply turn that off, and after turning off your restricted mode, your comments will be shown. So that's it, that's the only way. But if your restricted mode is not on and if you're still facing the problem, then you can simply open up your Play Store and check that if your app needs an update. So go for the search bar and search for YouTube. And then if you have an update option like this, you can simply tap on update, and you need to update your YouTube application. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. Or you can go back and then you can open up your settings and go for apps and notifications and open up your YouTube on your settings, and then go for storage and cache and go for clear cache, and that might fix your problem. So that's it, these were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.